Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change default text format in Gmail. If you need to change your default text style for new emails in Gmail, so just follow some easy steps. Open your Gmail. Now here guys, click on this Get Account for settings. Now click on See All Settings. In General tab, you will see this option, Default Text Style. You can select any. Here is the option to make normal, large or huge, color. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now compose your mail. Like this. There are some more settings. If you need to remove format, so click here. So it will default. Select any color. Grammar, spelling, suggestions. You can make on off. Spelling suggestions. Make on off autocorrect. So this is the all settings for your default text. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.